Today we have to discuss about the causes of Second World War. What is the main reasons of the Second World War? Now we have discussed before this class the causes of the World War. The Germany was defeated by these Britain and their allies powers in 1918. After that, the Germany was faced so many challenges by these allied powers. In this, after the Second World War, the Hitler came into the power in Germany. 1928, the Nazi party, they got just only 2.6% of vote in Riksdag. Riksdag is a German parliament. After that, 1932, one of the largest party of Germany is Nazi has emerged a largest party. In this, 37% of vote won by this Nazi party. Then after immediately the Hitler is get a power and he become the empire. Is an entire empire in this Germany. Then immediately he was passed one act in 1933. That act was Enabling Act. Enabling Act. It was passed. With this, he was rebuilt of this Germany. In this, Hitler he was become very powerful in the world. The Germany is also emerged as a powerful country in industrially armament productions. It is also causes for the Second World War. Now we briefly discuss about these causes of Second World War. Actually, after the First World War, the Second World War led between these Allies countries and the Axis countries. Axis and Allies powers means the Axis powers led by these Germany, Allied powers led by these Russia, Britain and America. These are the leaders led by these America. So now the causes of these Second World. The Second World War was led in 1939 to 1945 in between. The main causes of these Second World War is the Treaty of Versailles, intensity of these talks. After the First World War, the Treaty of Versailles is made by these one of the largest conference after these First World War. In this 1919, where it is in Paris, in these 32 countries to attend and to discuss about these world, how to protect the world from these world war. In this, the Treaty of Versailles to impose lot of fine on these Germany and to leave the territorial region from these Germany. So the Germany was fell into these economically, territorially. The Germany was lost their economy and territorially, as well as the Germany will lose their power. So this is the first reason in Second World War. Second one is failure of League of Nations. After the First World War, the one international organization was founded by the American President Woodrow Wilson. When it is 1920, that is a League of Nations. In these 58 countries is a member of these countries. But which of these countries a member of these League of Nations? They are over into these international agreement. In these especially newly emerged country like the Germany, Italy and Austria, like these countries, they are overruled these League of Nations principles. Even though America is not a member of these League of Nations, even America is also overruled these agreement. It is also causes for these Second World War. What is that? League of Nations, failure of League of Nations is also one of the reasons for these Second World War. Next, Germany challenged to wasteful dominations. But after the First World War, which of these victorious powers like that America, France and England, they are forcefully on the Germany to lose their territories and to pay the penalties, and next one, the number of places is controlled by these Germany. So in these, Germany was take a serious action on to these victorious powers. They are increasing their powers. They are increasing industries. They are increasing massive armed forces. So it is also why, because Germany want to get right over on these allied powers, means America and France and England. Why? Because Germany was insulted. It will feel is a very short condition. So that's why the Germany was over to these Treaty of Versailles principles and re-industrialized, and they are established massive armies and established armament industries. It is also causes for these Second World War. The more one important causes of these Second World War is the Germany to made a one appeasement of these Hitler with these British. Why? Because 1941 the Germany is over to these British principles, and Germany, why? Because here the Russia was implemented a communist and a socialist ideas, but the Germany, France, Italy, America, Britain to believe the capitalist ideas. The Russia was after the First World War 1917, they are implemented socialism and communism in these countries. But Germany, Britain, all these capitalist countries, they are not digestives of these Russian principles. So that's why the Britain was made with the agreement with the Germany, with the Hitler, and to make one policy. What is that one? Appeasement of Hitler. When is this one? 1943. 1943. And the Hitler was attacked on these Russia to control. Why? Because the Russia was take the action completely against these capitalist ideas. So this is also one of the reasons. Next, immediate cause of these Second World War. What is this one? The Britain is controlled the Poland. Then after, with the help of small military operation, Hitler was attacked onto the port and to defeat the British. So it is the main cause of these, immediate cause of these Second World War. When it is September 1st, 1939, is a Poland. On these, the Hitler was attacked. These regions is controlled by these British. Then after 1941, the Pearl Harbors, the America and the Germany both are fighting each other. Then after, the Hitler was attacked on these Russia in 1942. It is also immediately when the German was attacked on these Russia, immediately America, Russia, German, British and France to make one allied powers and to defeat the Germany and the Japan. So this is the immediate cause of this Second World War. Next, after the defeat of this end of 1943. So when the Germany was defeated by the power of England and Russia and America, France to make one group and cruelly defeated these Germany and Japan. In this, immediately, why? Because the Eastern European countries, it is controlled by these Russian, USSR and the Germany. When the 1943, the Germany was attacked by these two superpowers. One is Russia, another one is America. So the Russia is occupied in Germany, the eastern sides of these Germany, and to declare that region is a German Democratic Republic. The western part of Germany is controlled by these America and to declare a one government. What is this one? Federal Republic of Germany. When it is 1943, when the war was ended yearly. So the Germany was controlled by these two superpower. One is Russia, another one is America. So when the Russia was declared, Germany is controlled by these Russia to to declare as a German Democratic Republic, and the western part of this Germany is controlled by this America to declare as a Federal Republic of this Germany. In this 1943 to 1945, the America was landed the dropped the two atom bomb on these Japan. 1945, especially Hiroshima and Nagasaki is completely collapsed by the American operation in 1945. It is completely collapsed. Then after end of these 1945, the America to revival of these economical conditions into these Germany and Japan, they are formed about new type of these government. What is this one? That is a Japan Parliament. When the Japan was defeated by these America, immediately they are recalled, allowed to these old empire to over rule of these Japan to this constitutional monarchy. What is this one? America is recalled to this Japan empire to control and rule their country. How it is? That is a constitutional monarchy. Under to this constitutional monarchy. Then after, USA also came with a Marshall Plan, with this revival of the economic revival of these two countries. Why? Because both of these countries, Germany and Japan, is cruelly defeated by these allied powers with the superpower. But actually, the America and the allied countries is not want to take revenge on this area. But actually, the America was came with this revival of this economical condition into these two powers, where it is in Germany and Japan. That is, the America was came with the Marshall Plan, with this revival of economical condition into these two countries, where it is in Germany and Japan. The Russia is also came with these a special package into these Eastern Europe. Why? Because almost of these Eastern Europe is controlled by these Russia. So that's why Russia is also came with a economical package on these Eastern European. So finally, the 9th August, the World War was ended due to this. After these, the end of these World War, the one of these international organizations was founded by these countries, allied countries, means victorious power. After these World War II, formation of UNO in 1945. In these, the 51 countries is a member of these founder of United Nations organizations. What is the main aim of these UNO? To control the war, ensuring peace, and to develop the human activities and to make the negotiation between of these countries. Then after the First World War, now we have discussed after the First World War, the League of Nations is also founded one international court. Why? Because they are founded this one, because of if they have any territorial disputes between of these country, they will judge. So that's why the UNO is also founded the same kind of these aim. What is this one? First of all, and prevent of these war between of these worldwide countries. Second one is ensuring peace in the world. Third one is developing human development. The fourth one is to make the negotiation between of these worldwide countries. So next, after the World Wars, what happened? So in this, enormous of human cost. In the First World War, nearly the worldwide, almost of these worldwide countries to lost enormous of these human cost. Especially in the First World War, nearly 10,000 million people will died. In the Second World War, nearly 20 to 25 millions of these peoples to lose their life, especially the male member, those who have the below 40 years to lose their life into these World War II. Then after another one, changes is led into these world. What is this one? Democratic principles. After the end of these Second World War, the number of worldwide countries, especially Ottoman Empire, Turkey Empire, Tsar Nicholas, and the German Empire like the Nazism, Fascism is totally ended, and democratic principles. Means democratic countries, amongst the new democratic countries like that India, China, Indonesia, and Asian and African countries to declare and to get right and liberty from these colonial power after these First World War. This is one democratic principles. Then after enfranchisement of these women, after the end of these First World War, women is also fighting for their rights. Why? Because women is also, they are participated in these two World War. Already we have discussed nearly around these 10,000 women in Russia. They are led the movement against these Tsar Nicholas, but they are not identified in these war. Why? Because they feel they are not recognized by these any organization. So that's why after the 1945, the women is also fight for their rights like that equal right like that men's. Why? Because most of these 40 years below male members are to working in these war. The women are, they are working in schools and factories and household works and offices to run their families. Why? Because most of these male members are working, they are engaged into these war. So that's why the women is also important role play in these war. So that's why they want to fight for their rights. So that is the enfranchisement of these women. Then after the end of these Second World War, the number of international peace organizations are formed. You know this one. Just now we have discussed after the end of these Second World War, WHO was established by these 51 countries and other organizations, UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, ILO. All these are the international organization is founded for these people developments and founded for these liberty, for the equality, to protect their life from these region. So this is causes of these Second World War we have discussed today, and you read briefly and what type of questions they will rise on these Second World War. In these, what are the main causes of these Second World War? At the times you can explain these 4 points. What is this one? Treaty of Versailles, failure of League of Nations, and Germany is change a way full of domination. These are the main causes. As well as, it's not only this one. Imperialism, militarism, aggressive nationalism. It is also one of the part in Second World War. After that, these are the reasons. Thank you.